Okay, hello and welcome back. So this will be episode 4. Episode 4. So today we are going to be heading home, just finished work. So going to head home, but we're going to talk about what is the future of this bike. What have I got planned for it? So we're going to go around version 2.0, what we're going to do, what I'm going to do, and let's just get on the bike and have some jibber jabber. Why not? It's an absolute stunning winter's day here in New Plymouth today, so who can complain? Right, so today we're going to cover basically what I am going to do to this bike. So coming up, and probably why this video has been released, this bike's going to get a little bit of a makeover. So Interceptor 2.0, I guess is what this is going to be, is going to be based around cosmetic upgrades on this bike. I've been wanting to do this for a while. I've been saving up parts and I've now got all the parts to do it, so I'm going to pull the trigger. So the first major modification that's really going to change how this bike looks is the new paint colour. I've got a new exciting colour. I'm not going to reveal what the colour is, but it's very different. It's heritage, I'd call it. So it's going to be pretty good. I'm really excited for it. I've had the colour sitting there for a while now, and I've really wanted to put the colour onto the tank. So it's gonna be fun. The second modification that I will be doing is another large modification. Is that all the polished covers on the bike, on the engine, are going to be painted satin black. So nothing is going to be polished chrome or polished aluminium anymore. Anything that is being polished is now going to be satin black. That includes the headlight ring, anything. So that's going to be really exciting. I really have a passion and hate crime towards anything shiny. It's just not my style. The third modification that will be happening to this bike is a tail tidy. So I'll be putting new lights on the rear. I haven't kind of confirmed what I'm going to be doing there. It's the last thing I've yet to order. So that's going to be interesting and exciting. And basically that kind of wraps up what... Oh no, it doesn't wrap up what's going to be happening. Also, what's going to be really exciting is I'm going to be installing a Continental GT clip-ons on this bike. So I'm going to go from the stock setup. I want something a little bit more aggressive. So I'm going to be installing the GT clip-ons, which I'm also really excited for. Just to see how far it leans you forward in the riding position with the Interceptor foot pegs being a little bit different. Just going to angle that up a little bit. So I'm really kind of looking forward to that, to see how the riding position changes and if I actually enjoy it at all. I haven't really found any handlebars that I actually kind of like, so that's why I'm thinking about going that style, because it's stock. Other than that, I need to turn my indicator off, Andrew. Other than that, that's going to be kind of Interceptor 2.0. I'm going to record all of it and kind of show the transformation of the bike, kind of how it transitions from being this very stock-ish bike to now a very unstock bike. I had a few other ideas of what I wanted to do, but I just don't want to kind of pull the trigger on them just yet. And kind of what we'll talk about is what is the future of this bike now. Like, so version 2.0, this guy just... did not turn his indicator on very late. So what's going to be version 3.0? So I'm going to just enjoy the bike when it comes version 2.0 and enjoy how it looks for a little bit. But the ultimate end goal of this bike is going to be installing an 865 kit. I've started collecting parts and that will be in the near future. I just kind of want to take each modification as it comes, enjoy it as it is in each stage, enjoy that honeymoon period and then move on. But I think it's really going to change the dynamics of the bike. Really look forward to this. So I hope you guys want to stick along and see how that comes. This video is probably going to be really short, but hopefully you stick around to see what the bike ends up being like. Other than that, So that's pretty much going to sum up what's going to be happening to this bike in version 2.0 and a little bit of snippet of what is going to be coming in the future in version 3.0. So I'm not going to end the video here because it's a little bit short, but enjoy my ride home and I'll check back into you when I'm about to turn the camera off. So I just enjoy this nice, free, easy sound, no voice. So we'll catch back up with you in a short bit. Alright, I hope you enjoyed that little ride back home through the suburban streets of New Plymouth. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, like, subscribe. There will be more content coming, and if you want any different kind of content, just let me know what you would like to see, and I might post something. We'll see what you make happen. Anyway, thank you, until next time, catch you later.